I'd like to talk to you about the funding of criminal cases and applications for legal aid in criminal proceedings. The public funding of a defendant's legal representation in a criminal case is specifically provided for by Article 6.3 of the European Convention on Human Rights, which provides that defendants who do not have sufficient means to pay for legal advice should receive this free of charge when it is in the interest of justice to do so. The public funding of criminal defence work is administered by the Legal Aid Agency. Full details of the types of funding and the rates of payment which solicitors receive are available on the Legal Aid Agency website. In this tutorial, I will focus on the funding of representation at the police station, and then, once the defendant is charged with an offence, representation at court. Funding for police station cases. Anyone who's questioned by the police as a suspect or as a witness, if there is a risk they will incriminate themselves, is entitled to free legal advice, whether they are under arrest or not. This is not means tested and all suspects are eligible, regardless of their finances. When a suspect requests legal advice at the police station, the custody officer should put in a call to the Defence Solicitor Call Centre, the DSCC, who in turn will contact the suspect's own solicitor, if that's who has been requested, or the duty solicitor if no particular solicitor has been requested.